Here's what moved markets today. The U.S.-Iran Framework Agreement officially entered into force, with shipping traffic through the Strait of Hormuz fully restored. The formalization of the diplomatic arrangement represents a structural resolution to the regional tensions that had affected energy markets in recent months. U.S. equity and crypto markets declined, with the moves coinciding with Federal Reserve communications suggesting the possibility of an additional interest rate increase later this year. The policy signal contributed to uncertainty across risk assets as investors reassessed monetary policy expectations. U.S. lawmakers advanced legislation that would prohibit central bank digital currency development until at least 2030, continuing the legislative process on the measure. The bill addresses regulatory treatment of potential government-issued digital currency alternatives to existing private stablecoin products. U.S. equity markets declined approximately $1.2 trillion in value within 2 hours following the Federal Open Market Committee meeting, with the rapid market reaction reflecting investor response to the Fed's policy communications and signals around future interest rate decisions. FIFA selected Avalanche's blockchain infrastructure for 2026 World Cup ticketing operations, implementing the technology to address concerns around automated ticket purchasing and fraudulent resale activity. The partnership represents continued adoption of blockchain-based authentication systems for large-scale event ticketing. SpaceX's market valuation reached approximately $2.5 trillion following its recent public listing, with the figure exceeding the combined market capitalization of the cryptocurrency sector, estimated at $2.2 trillion. The comparison illustrates the scale of capital flows into the company's equity relative to the broader digital asset market. Looking at this morning's price action as of 10:55 Central European Time, gains are meaningful despite yesterday's broader market pressure. Energy Web token up 13.9%, Athena adding 11.51%, and Stellar gaining 10.29%. Double-digit strength across energy infrastructure, synthetic dollar protocols, and payment platforms. On the downside, liquid-staked ETH leads decliners at 7.25%, with Zcash off 4.93%, and Swarm declining 4.17%, mid-single-digit selling in liquid staking derivatives and privacy infrastructure, with losses substantially smaller than the leading gains. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index declines to 22, dropping 2 points from yesterday's 24 and continuing the consolidation within the recent recovery range. The modest pullback occurs despite today's positive market structure, with the index responding more to yesterday's broader equity market pressure from Federal Reserve communications than to today's crypto-specific gains. The index has now held within the 22 to 25 range over the past 4 sessions, following the steady climb from 15 that characterized the prior recovery phase. Market psychology appears to be consolidating at this level, with sentiment showing limited responsiveness to daily crypto price movements, while remaining sensitive to broader macro developments, including yesterday's rate hike signals.